Hi, my name is Marko Lahtinen. I work at Sandvik as a digital project manager. Today I'm here to tell you about Rammer MyFleet service indicator and service logs. The service indicator works based on Hammer work hours. You can see actual time until the next required maintenance, which helps you to plan preventative maintenance. MyFleet will show an indicator when the Hammer maintenance time is near or has already passed. MyFleet can be set to send email notifications to the Hammer customer as well as their dealer to remind about upcoming maintenance. This will help dealer to order and stock inventory and optimize parts delivery and services. In MyFleet, you can create and view service logs for the Hammer. This lets you to see the maintenance history and records, which includes replaced parts and tools. The online service history helps to maintain the future resale value of the Hammer by ensuring that the maintenance records are accurate as possible.